The Roborock Qrevo S5V takes home cleaning to a new level of power, precision, and convenience, blending advanced technology with user-friendly automation, so you can enjoy spotless floors without lifting a finger. At the heart of this system is its multifunctional docking station, designed to simplify and elevate your cleaning routine. Once the robot completes its job, it automatically returns to the dock where the mops are washed, dried with hot air to prevent odors, and made ready for the next session. The dock also handles self-emptying for up to 7 weeks, giving you extended maintenance-free operation, while its 5L water tank keeps the robot's reservoir full, covering mopping areas as large as 4,305 square feet. Even the base itself can be detached for a thorough clean, ensuring that every part of the system remains fresh and hygienic. When it comes to raw cleaning performance, the Qrevo S5V doesn't compromise. Equipped with 7,000 pascals of suction power, it digs deep into carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors, lifting away everything from fine dust to larger debris. Its dual anti-tangle brushes and floating brush head are specially engineered to minimize hair wrapping while maximizing pickup efficiency, making it ideal for homes with pets. For seamless transitions between surfaces, the vacuum features Auto Mop lifting technology. The mops automatically rise by 10 millimeters when moving over carpets or when docking, preventing wet streaks and ensuring your floors remain spotless. Combined with its dual spinning mops rotating at 200 RPM, the S5V scrubs away sticky spills and dried messes with ease. With 30 adjustable water flow levels, you can fine-tune the cleaning intensity to perfectly match your flooring type and preferences. Navigation is powered by PreciSense LiDAR and reactive tech obstacle avoidance, delivering precise room mapping and 3D visualizations of your home. This allows the robot to intelligently detect obstacles and create highly efficient cleaning routes, while also letting you interact with a 3D map in the app for customized cleaning. Whether you want to define restricted zones, set tailored carpet cleaning strategies, or manage multiple floors with up to 4 map levels, the S5V adapts effortlessly to your space. Roborock's upgraded app control makes the experience even more intuitive. With AI-driven features like temporary cleaning and skipping zones, the robot can handle unexpected messes and interruptions without losing efficiency. Remote control through the app, along with support for voice assistance, ensures you can manage your cleaning schedule anytime, anywhere. In short, the Roborock Qrevo S5V isn't just a vacuum. It's an all-in-one cleaning companion. With its powerful suction, dual spinning mops, self-maintaining dock, and intelligent navigation, it transforms cleaning from a daily chore into a fully automated routine. From deep carpets to wide tiled areas, it's built to handle it all, giving you more time to enjoy a cleaner, fresher home.